It is much easier to install LG air conditioner. It is much faster and easier to install it with improved installation plate. You can save installation time because installation plate shows piping hole position, horizontal meter hanger, product dimension, pipe position, etc. in detail. Installation plate guides you to more convenient and precise installation. New hanger for horizontal meter in installation plate helps you to make precision leveling and to make piping hole position faster and easier. Hang the product on the installation plate and detach bottom cover after loosening the screw. Detachable bottom cover makes installation process much easier. Pipe holder permits you bigger space and makes installation quicker and easier. Control box on the bottom helps to connect cable and drain hose easier. There is increased space to allow plenty of room for proper pipe and connector taping. You can install pipes clean with newly designed air conditioner. Product installation is finished clean. If there is a gap between the wall and the air conditioner, you can tighten the air conditioner to the wall by tightening the screw. Perfect installation is finished when tightening the screw after close the bottom cover. Quicker and easier installation. LG air conditioner.